For years, the virtual reality landscape has felt a bit predictable. Meta has dominated the consumer standalone space with the Quest, while high-end PC enthusiasts remain tethered to their rigs, chasing the ghost of the aging Valve Index. We heard whispers, we tracked code changes, and we cataloged every leak under the legendary name Project Decade, but the wait is officially over. Valve has shattered expectations by announcing the Steam Frame. This is not just a direct successor to the Valve Index, it is a standalone, streaming first powerhouse built to run your entire Steam library completely wirelessly. Today, we are breaking down everything you need to know about this game, changing hardware, the insane engineering hidden under the visor, and how Valve is trying to completely upend the portable ecosystem. When you look at the Steam Frame, it is immediately clear that Valve wanted to solve the biggest issue plaguing standalone headsets: comfort. The core module of the headset is incredibly compact, weighing a mere 185 grams on its own. Even when you attach the full default facial interface, the head strap, and the integrated battery pack, the total weight comes out to just 440 grams. That is significantly lighter than almost every major competitor on the market today. Valve achieved this by separating the components intelligently. The front visor houses the high-end display arrays, Pancake Optics, and processing chips. Meanwhile, the rear portion of the strap balances out the physical structure by holding the main rechargeable battery and a rear-mounted USB-C port. Speaking of the displays, Valve is utilizing dual 260 by 2160 LCD panels, giving you a crystal clear presentation per eye. These panels route through premium Pancake lenses and support variable refresh rates starting at 72 Hz, moving up through 90 and 120 Hz, all the way to an experimental 144 Hz mode. There is also a physical adjustment knob on the chassis, allowing users to tune their physical interpupillary distance on the fly for perfect visual clarity. But what makes the Steam Frame truly revolutionary is the architecture under the hood. Unlike the Valve Index, which required a high-end gaming PC to even turn on, the Frame is a fully standalone mobile computer. It is powered by the flagship Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 system on chip, backed by a massive 16 GB of unified LPDDR5X RAM. Valve is offering the device in two primary configurations, a 256 GB base model and a premium 1 TB tier. But they did not stop there. The front strap includes an integrated micro SD card slot. This means you can easily expand your storage or even share your game library cards directly between the Steam Frame, your Steam Deck, and Valve's newly announced second-generation Steam Machine console. The tracking is entirely self-contained as well. There are 4 monochrome pass-through cameras and infrared emitters integrated into the front faceplate. This setup uses advanced simultaneous localization and mapping, or SLAM, to deliver precise inside-out tracking. You can say goodbye to mounting external lighthouse base stations on your walls forever. While the Steam Frame can run games locally, Valve is heavily promoting it as a streaming-first device. To make wireless VR viable for competitive gaming, they have engineered an incredible networking array. The headset contains multiple Wi-Fi 7 radios, allowing the system to split local internet traffic on the 5 GHz band while dedicating the 6 GHz band entirely to VR streaming. To ensure the best possible experience out of the box, Valve is bundling a custom Li-Fi 6E USB adapter with every single headset. You plug this directly into your gaming PC, establishing a low latency, low congestion wireless link that completely bypasses your home router. This hardware link feeds into an innovative software feature called forwarded streaming. The Steam Frame features advanced internal eye tracking cameras. The system watches exactly where your eyes are focusing inside the headset and tells your PC to encode that specific zone at an ultra-high bitrate. The periphery of the image is compressed slightly, reducing the overall network bandwidth requirement dramatically without your brain ever noticing. It is a brilliant way to achieve lossless, quality PC virtual reality over the air. Let us look at how you actually interact with the machine. The motion controllers, codenamed Roy, feature a lightweight, ringless profile similar to contemporary VR inputs. However, Valve made a massive alteration to support non-VR titles. The left controller includes a standard digital directional pad, while the right controller holds 4 traditional face buttons. This exact layout guarantees you can play your flat-screen Steam games comfortably in a virtual theater space without dealing with awkward control remapping. Even better, the analog sticks use tunneling magnetoresistance or TMR sensors. This advanced hardware completely eliminates the risk of stick drift over time, offering incredible durability. For the modding community, Valve is keeping things incredibly open. They are releasing full CAD files for the headset, alongside access to a dedicated hardware expansion port. This port features a lane of PCI Express Gen 4 connectivity and a MIPI camera interface. Valve has openly suggested that third-party developers could use this slot to create custom add-ons like full body tracking modules, advanced face tracking kits, color pass-through cameras, or completely unique spatial positioning solutions. On the software side, the frame runs an advanced version of Arch Linux-based SteamOS. To make the library work on an ARM-based mobile processor, Valve has layered an impressive suite of translation tools. It uses Proton to run Windows software, FEXEMU to translate x86 code to ARM, and a specialized Android runtime for Lepton. Lepton allows users to sideload Android apps and open compatibility for games built for other standalone mobile headsets, creating an absolute monster of a software machine. As for the release timeline, Valve officially announced the Steam Frame late last year, alongside their second generation Steam Machine console. While final pricing and launch dates were slightly delayed due to the global memory supply shortages affecting component costs, Valve is actively pushing to get units shipped within the first half of this year. The Steam Frame feels like the ultimate accumulation of Valve's hardware philosophy. It blends the portability of the Steam Deck with the premium heritage of the Index, creating an open ecosystem that challenges the locked down nature of modern VR. But I want to hear from you. Are you ready to cut the cord and jump into Valve's wireless ecosystem, or are you waiting to see the final price tag? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Make sure to hit that subscribe button for our upcoming full performance review, and I will see you in the next one.